Buenos días, buenas tardes, mis alumnos de Español 2. This is week 10 of remote learning. You're doing a great job. Let's continue día por día, day by day. Let me share my screen. We'll go into an overview of what we're going to focus on this week. We know that both the preterite and the imperfect are past tenses, but when given a choice, okay, between the two, which one do we choose? Key phrase of the week. Okay, the preterite is used when referring to specific points or periods of time in the past. That's preterite. Points or periods of time in the past, and the imperfect is used referring to the past, talking about non-specific periods of time or recurring actions. Okay, now what do I mean by that? I'm going to give you a little sneak peek on we're going to work on later in the week. Keywords, okay? Ursula always used to play the piano. Keyword there is siempre, always. Ask yourself, is that something that is a specific point in time in the past or period of time, or does it indicate something that is recurring? Siempre, right? Always. It's happening over and over and over again. So you would use the imperfect tense. Tocaba. Let's move forward. I just showed you that one, but if we go here again, okay, we always used to run miles and miles every day. Key phrase, cada día. Is that a certain or specific point in time in the past, or does it indicate a recurring or habitual action? If you said recurring or habitual action, you'd be correct. Corríamos, imperfect tense, nosotros. Now, both of those are imperfect, okay? Let's go to one like this. Yesterday, okay, I went to the botanical garden. Yesterday, is that a point in time in the past, or does it indicate something that is recurring in the past? You said point of time in the past. You'd be correct. Ayer, yesterday. You wouldn't say yesterday I used to, right? So that's what we're focusing on. We'll go back to it again. The preterite is used when referring to specific points or periods of time in the past, and the imperfect is used when referring to non-specific periods or recurring actions in the past. Okay, I'll post this video today and tomorrow, so you can watch it again just to get an idea about that. That's the most important thing we'll focus on this week. As for tomorrow, today, you're doing this today, I'm doing it yesterday, but today, simply go on to Quizlet and review the endings for the preterite imperfect for 10 minutes. And I'll post this phrase again and again throughout the week. All right. So now, Wednesday, there's Monday, but on Wednesday, we'll have our weekly Espanol 2 health and wellness check-in. And then, what else? Tomorrow, which would be Tuesday the 19th, we're going to do a question trail. And then on Wednesday, a short quiz, all focusing on, you're given a verb. Can you recognize whether it's in the preterite or the imperfect? And do you know when to use preterite or imperfect when referring to the past? That's what we're going to focus on this week. Again, any questions, please reach out via comment in Classroom or via email. You've been doing a very good job of that. Again, we'll have Palm Tree Friday this Friday, virtually, sometime late morning or early afternoon. Okay. That's it from here. I will talk to you all later. Adios.